Welcome to iPEC's UCE mobile application video for iOS. If you haven't set up your application yet, please refer to the UCE installation video for iOS. When first entering your app, you will need to log in with your credentials. If you have already logged into the app today, you will not need to re-log in. You can just open the application to take you straight through. To change your information, select My Information. This gives you the option to change various settings. If you wish to change your presence setting, click on the My Presence option. You can then choose from a range of statuses that allows your colleagues to see if you're unavailable for calls. Select the Phone Status option to change your phone status. To put your phone into Do Not Disturb mode, press the checkbox next to DND. To set a call forward, check the box next to Call Forward, after which you will be prompted to enter a forward number. To return to the previous screen, simply press the back arrow in the top left corner. If you have any questions regarding a UCE application, please contact your telephony provider.